Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's session of Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India, dated March 13, 2024. Before we go ahead, I would like to give a small disclaimer that registration granted by SEBI, membership, BASIL, and certification of NISM is no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or providing assurance of returns to investors. Investment security markets is subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. So, if we talk about Nifty's chart performance for yesterday, as you can see, Nifty had again a gap up opening. It moved higher, then it came lower and it closed on a flattish level. And it is finding resistance and support both at this moment at the 10 EMA levels. And the distribution day count currently stands at 2. If distribution day count increases to more, higher of more than 4 and 5, and key moving averages such as the 21 DMA and the 50 DMA gets breached, then we may go from a confirmed uptrend to uptrend under pressure. However, if you look at the broader markets, both Nifty Mid Cap 100 and Small Cap 100 have come under selling pressure. Both have breached their 50 DMA, and there is more selling pressure in the broader market in the moment than at the moment in the Nifty 50 stocks. So going forward, uh, the the disparity cannot hold up, and there has to be some kind of support going forward for the broader market. Let's see when that happens, because both the key indices have breached their 50 DMAs at this moment. Talking about key news, January IIP data for India came in at 3.8% against estimates of 4.01%. Mining growth at 5.9% against 5.1% month on month. The US February inflation rate came at 0.4% month on month against an estimate of 0.3%. Even India came up with its February CPI inflation. It came in at 5.09% against estimates of 5.12%. Urban inflation raised to 4.72% from 4.91% month on month. Muthoot Capital and Greaves Finance are in for rupees 150 crore deal for electric two-wheeler financing. Yesterday's FI bought Indian equities worth rupees 73 crores and DIF bought worth rupees 2358 crores. Talking about the global market update, all the three US indices closed higher. Dow Jones closed higher by 0.6%, S&P 500 by 1.1%, Nasdaq by 1.5%. Asian markets, Shanghai is trading lower by 0.5%, Nikkei by 0.4%, and Kospi is trading higher by 0.3%. Gift Nifty is indicating a higher opening of around 100 points at this moment. But if you look at uh, the other Asian indices, most Asian indices are under pressure at this moment. And even as you can see, Nifty has been under some kind of selling pressure for the past few days. So even today, it would be likely to see how it behaves. One, because positive CPI inflation data that is less than estimates is good for the markets. So maybe today is the day that we might see some kind of uh, buying support for Nifty going forward. Talking about the chart of the day. The chart of the day for us is LNT or Larsen and Toubro. At this moment, the stock is forming a cup base, as you can see, and the stock had started to show some kind of accumulation. The last couple of days, as the market was under pressure, even the stock came under some pressure. But the selling was below average volume, so which is a good sign. Overall, the last 3 quarter results have been very good for the stock, and even with a very high market cap, fund holding for the stock have been improving, which is a good sign. And EPS strength is fair, but last 3 quarter results have been good. Price strength has been fair. but RS line have been moving higher, which is a good sign. There has been prior uptrend for the stock as well. So overall ratings for the stock is good. Going forward, the stock is still 3% to pivot. If market remains supportive and the stock breaks out on above average volumes and stays in the ideal buy zone, it can be a good stock to watch out for. So thank you, and that's it from my side. And stay tuned to the space of Rebel with William O'Neill India from Monday to Friday at 8:45 a.m. sharp.